Yes, sometimes you sit and you ask yourself how much YouTube pay. Sometimes you wake up and you start asking yourself how much YouTube pay for 1,000 viewers. Let me check. Imagine you think like $16.50, $13.40, $1.84, $2.86. Which one is the answer? So now you are going to ask yourself like, which one is the right answer, because you didn't get answer. You ask yourself, but you didn't get answer. Thank you very much. Okay, if you're new for a channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Take your chair, come and sit like the way I'm sitting here. I'm going to teach you how answer. Did I say no? Yes. Okay. So the truth is, YouTube, they don't pay the same payment. Don't listen anyone who say YouTube pay this and YouTube do this, because why I'm saying that, YouTube pay different payment, because YouTube, they go PRM, they go CPM, so YouTube, they go different payment. It's the payment that came from advertised through to YouTube. Then there was CPM. CPM is the payment advertised from ads, coming from business. All these things, when they collect together, they give to YouTube. YouTube pay to me or you are watching me now. So that is different, because people, they just get confused like which one YouTube pay. YouTube pay you different payment. So, and again, YouTube pay according to the what you are uploading. YouTube, they pay you if you are okay. Maybe you are doing comedy, different. Music is different. You do like vlogs, different. Reaction, all this different. So how are you going to know which one YouTube pay you? Because why I'm saying that, the same channel within this video post on this the same month, and the other video post the same month, they make two different payments, because YouTube, they check what are you uploading. Because your video, if it's like vlogs, pranks, music, they go very less. Again, you do business or you do like business advertisement, it's different. So that's those again the high review. Okay, you are doing reaction, you are doing like education, tutorial, all, you get less money, because YouTube, they check the people are watching and the place those people are coming from. Example, you select your video, you upload, maybe it's a video that like travel. So like travel video is special. That video is specific sponsored for company or whatever it is. So YouTube, when they are coming to pay you through travel, they are not going to pay you the same payment with the person who is doing like business advertisement. Gaming is different. Even gaming, they are among those people that are getting very, very small money. It is from 2 to 3 to 4. Let me tell you, you can see the same channel, the same person, how much he make, RPM and initials of that person, how much he get. He get 40, they pay him 40 to 28. How that happened? And it's the same video. So because is YouTube, they look this channel, okay, this channel is doing business. Okay, if it's business, because people are just getting advertised from that business, and YouTube get through CPM, so they are going to calculate that, and they are going to pay more money that person than you are doing prank or vlog or reaction video. Okay, like people you are doing music, if they get higher, it's only $3, or they're gonna pay less than that, from $1 to $2 to $3, even 59 cents. You're going to shock why YouTube are doing this, why it's not same. So you can sit and say like, how much YouTube are going to pay me for 1,000 viewers? You can't know. No one is gonna give you the right figure of how much YouTube is going to pay you for 1,000 viewers. But if you check, the CPM is different. Maybe the video I upload now, this one I'm recording, and the video I record yesterday, it's gonna be different CPM. Maybe that I talk about how to make money on TikTok without not having followers and uploading video. That is different. Then you're gonna see maybe that will be less CPM, or this one will be higher than that or less than that. So that's how YouTube they calculate. So for my side, if I say my side, I can't give anyone figure of saying like, if you have 1,000 viewers, you are going to pay this, or you are going to get this. No, you can't say any approximate numbers of this, because it's different. And the video you are doing also is a part of making your CPM to be low or high. Yes, because normally they look the engagement of the people are watching you, because when they knew it and the place, example, I upload a video in America, UK, Canada, Australia, they watch that video. On that video will be different than I upload another video, people from Asia, Africa, they watch will be different again. So that's how you have to know, because a lot of people, they just confused. They stand and say like, how can I know how this thing happened? Why? I don't know. YouTube, they don't pay me and I work hard, but it just only I don't reach the $100. You can't reach, because the video you are making, try to change that video to another video, then check that CPM, and all the video you did the CPM, check the people are watching, they are from which place, and the type of video you record is just concerning about what. Then from that time you are going to know, wow, is it different like this? But other than that, you are not going to know anything. And for my side, I can say like, no one is gonna come in front of you and tell you YouTube they pay you this and this the payment you are going to get. No. Thank you very much. The other thing is, normally when you check, like you get okay $3.38 to 16 is the same video, the same video from this channel to this channel, same time, same person. So he upload on different account, but one of the channel, that video was being calculated for $3.38. The other one was being calculated $16.44 times 5 for the RP. Times 5 for RPA. So that's why I'm saying YouTube, they calculate everything in the way they want, because this came from Google, came from to the advertisement people, to the Google to YouTube to you, because YouTube also, they are there to benefit. So they are not there to give only whatever they get to give you. So because what they want to calculate, okay, this is our benefit, we have to do this, is for us. So normally I can say to anyone who want to know like how much YouTube pay for 1,000 viewers, there was no number I can give you. That's the truth. It's only very much, guys. That is all I was like to tell you for today. So you have to know that if you got 1,000 viewers, even if you get $2 to $3, that is you, because that's how YouTube I calculate. I can't give you exactly a number, but make sure all the time to go to your analyst and look how much that video make, then it will be easy. And again, look the other video again, how much that video make again. So if you know like, okay, last content when I make this, but this content make different than this, then you can understand, oh, this is the easy way. So next time you can continue doing the same content, or you can stop from there and try to do another content that you want to be young billionaire after a few days. Thank you very much, guys. If you're new for our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. See you next video. Bye bye.